有个充电头。我们今天来暴力拆解一下这个充电头。暴力，这就是暴力了，直接用这个钳子开始了。这个充电头啊很轻，比一般的充电头还轻。人家一拖三的充电器就这个样子，轻的很。再加一把刀。
Think about others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time. You me never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast. And that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. I take shots to the top, I'll get it. I got one life, I'ma do all to win it. I do what's right, push until I fall. I'm slipping to get back up, always stand tall, I'm grinning. I got cuts real deep, big bruises scarred. I had to learn how to think with my head and my heart. I've been chewed up, spit out, torn apart. But picking up all the pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast. And that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
现在我们拆下来了。哦，这里的地方，这个地方现在是烧掉了。有烧焦的味道。现在就是这个地方，好像这个地方也有烧糊了的味道。啊，这是属工业垃圾啊，这完全就是工业垃圾。好，这期视频就到这里吧，谢谢观看。